Igbo ekene m unu Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ Igbo mụrụ nsem ọzọ ịma na-ege m ntị n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko ka m bido from otu ndị USA si wee say that na onye ọbụla jide obi ya aka because announcement achị ịda ụda. Biko, my beginning of this video will shock you as na USA branch na bịa na Zion ground na Ngọkpala wee yie 5 billion naira. Asọkwa million 5 billion, like ịgụta 1 million, ịgụta 2 million, ịgụta 3 million, ịgụta 4 million, ịgụta 100 million, 500 million, 1 billion, 1.5 billion, 2.5 billion, 2 million, as until we ruo 5 billion. Asọkwa gị 1 million, asọkwa gị 2 million, asọkwa gị 5 million. I'm talking about 5 billion naira. Hey, nke a bụ na ka ha fu nku nene this video first. Unene che I nashed them.
I want everybody to hold their hands. Hold your hands. So we are certainly have to announce it. People have told us not to announce it because we are some Indians. We have to announce it. And the good thing is that we have psychiatric hospital. So if you go to that side, you can treat. Okay. All the million. No. Everything come up to. Are you ready? Yes! 5 billion. Naira.
August ya dị kpọkpọ Ngọkpala na-eshi Jizọs nwere mmadụ iso n'ofu onye n'ime ha 2026 Ngọkpala
ama m na unu enenechego ya bụ video. 5 whole billion naira. A na-ekwu na ha mere ndị Canada branch wee ye 125 million. Honestly, onye ọbụla just na top because this thing wasn't like last year. Last year imago onye ọbụla just no tinye aka na akpa mefta. But we want to notice na this Canada branch. Unechete video ahụ mme gbasara one woman with the first woman that packed in Zion City home. She's the admin of Canada. Admin in the Canada. She is the one. And I know away there ma that's na admin in the Canada. I was telling somebody said that now this woman did not base in Nigeria. The person said na say no somebody from Ngọkpala and that she has been living in. I told her that this person anolona Nigeria. That this woman is not in Nigeria. She came back. Somebody was doubting, said that she came back to invest in Ngọkpala, Zion City. That is why Jimevi down Mesunu that now don't be scared, because she said that, like Ebukobi said, start your building first and you will see what will happen. She was scared and she started. Within how many months? 6 months, she's done. And she's even admin. Looking at her, she's very simple person. She's friendly. She's lovely. In fact, she's a nice woman. You will never, whoever told you that this person admin in the Canada, you will not believe it. Can lapun kunene this video? Nene in video.
We fly.
On the Tichara.
Aburodo.
Okay. On behalf of this Canada branch, we want to thank our daddy in the Lord, evangelist, prophet, Ebuka Anoziobi, for all your sacrifices, daddy, your prayers, your love, and your dedication that you continue to make for all Zionites. Daddy, we, the Canada branch, want you to know that we appreciate you, we truly love you. We are continually praying for you, to God to continue strengthening you, protecting you, guiding you, and keeping you as the apple of his eyes. Last year, Canada gave 73 million. This year, Canada is giving 125 million.
Hey! Obia come now, rush. 125 million for Canada. Oh, left flag, you know. God bless you. Canada shock all everywhere. In the Igbo State, give me one. God bless you. God bless you. Zion, Canada. God bless you. God bless you.
Akune nene sigia na fugo the woman now admin in the Canada, because I from comment section imagine I say because who is admin in the USA that she wants her number. My sister, because I don't know. You can't just come to comment section and just say you want number, yeah, admin. Why are you asking for her number? If you're a US branch, you can always reach out to Imago Zion Ministry this thing admin. Imago they will not question you. You will not join USA branch. About something they got in a comment section. I just will number admin. Be in a comment section. No, it doesn't happen like that. It doesn't work that way. I mean to say. So if you want to belong to US branch, please make sure you do your founding, make your verification very well. Then you go and register. If you're in Canada, for this woman, you have already seen her face. You have seen the face of admin USA. If you're in Canada, she's mommy of Canada. She's admin in the Canada. Please, you can reach out to her, but please don't expect somebody to drop it in comment section. There is no way Madige will number admin with it in a comment section, because everybody have his or her own privacy. If you do it, it's against the law, and she might probably sue you because of that, because Imago non biablo a public number gabu you can see it here now this in comment section. So funding I heard that Nando Menanabu Zezuku has been Imago now backwards since how many days now because of naming a Zion ground. And for that man Putalo see that that's not make a mediso na Zion ground midway Mabo happy macho. What happened to insecurity in our Imo State? What happened to our brothers and sisters and bound every day? You have this power and you could not even save your people. You have this power, you could not use it and develop your community. You have this power and you could not use it and heal people. You have this power, then during the dry season you could not even make rain to fall. You're waiting for rainy season to come before you say that day that you say that na midi that day. Even as of today, as of this thing yesterday, midi so no as of a day before to midi nezo today midi so ebe no tata midi so ineme shidiki menunka really a battle good, because when you go outside country, they're using their power to develop places, they're using their power to develop their country, their community, help people. But I can't buy ballo and a now obu need ike you will not remain like this that you are. You will not be in the village. You will not, in fact, obu need you a power like you said. You won't be in the village looking for money. you don't even have anything. You are not in township, nothing. You don't have nothing. You just to follow again a village. Man, ike dị gị n'ahụ, ike ị ga-eji zoo mmiri dị gị n'ahụ. Ke ụdị ike bụ ihe nke ifo na pasha dị n'ike gị. So gatụpụla ana. You are just when mgbu mmadụ achọ ihe nga akọ. Anyway, Igbo ndị ọma njem n'ọgụ m ka ọla m n'ọnụ biko ọ bụrụ na iweta this video, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe and on your notification. Ka emesịa.